Hello, friends. Today I will be talking about emotions and how we have to learn to handle our emotions. Friends, we all know that there are certain things which happen inside our body which we actually don't really know about. And emotions play a very vital role in what happens inside our body. I will give you two examples when you are happy and when you are unhappy. When you are happy, your face automatically has a smiling face. Your lips automatically make you smile. You don't do it, you don't consciously do it. Like you do when you take a selfie, you make an artificial fake smile. But when you are happy with good news, the smile comes on its own. And when you are sad, you have some bad news, tears come to your eyes. You don't bring them to your eyes, they come. Now, this shows that emotions trigger certain kinds of changes in us. And what could be the reason? The emotions basically secrete certain kind of chemicals, and those chemicals bring the changes in our physical body also. Now, very obviously, the positive emotions, the happiness emotions, the satisfaction emotions, those give you positive emotions and they don't really harm your body. However, when you have a burst of anger, depression, stress, tension, anxiety, when you're going through all those kinds of emotions, the body is still secreting those chemicals, but those chemicals are actually detrimental for your body and your health. We hear about how people watch a face and come to know the emotion that the person is going through. Your eyes become red with anger. When you are frightened, your legs start shaking. When you see a snake, your hands and feet become numb. Now, you don't tell your body to do all those things, they automatically become like this. So, obviously, there is some kind of chemical inside your body that is the stimulus for this kind of reaction of your body. So, we have to understand this, and then we have to also realize that we have to handle our emotions properly. We have to make sure that the negative emotions, I don't want to get into the details of what are negative emotions, you all know it. Those effects are detrimental to our body because they enter the blood. And friends, blood is going to every part of your body, right from your head to your toe, in every cell of your body. And then this chemical is carried everywhere. We always think that we fall sick when certain germs or infections enter our body and we get fever and we get stomach upset and we say, okay, we are not well. But here we don't even realize that we are falling sick with these kind of toxics that are being secreted in our body. And very often you must have heard about some person suddenly passing away. Oh, that person had such a systematic life. He was so particular about his diet, about his exercise, about his regime. And there was no need for him to have a heart attack or a brain hemorrhage or some such thing. But it happened. So, for all you know, that person had taken on stress. That person had taken on anger and maybe jealousy and greed. We don't know. So, friends, today the message is handle your emotions. Don't let them stay on in your body, in your mind for too long, because you don't know how much damage they can do to your body and to your life. And we always say that things which are happening in our mind and in some place in our body, in our hearts, the thoughts, the feelings, they are something different from actual body parts. But you know also that depression is a clinical ailment. Depression is not part of the body. It doesn't happen in your parts of the body. It's a mental problem. But it is treated clinically. That is, doctors give medication for depression. So depression must be creating certain kind of damage by secretions in our body, which have to be countered by the medication that the doctor gives. So by this itself, we can understand that there are certain changes that keep going on in our body, and they are triggered by our emotions. And for the positive emotions of happiness, of joy, of blessings, please go on, enjoy it. But when it comes to the harsh ones, control them. And in the end, I will just tell you about the Dharam Gurus, our spiritual leaders. You will see that they do not have the emotional spells, as you can say. If you hear a video of Rajneesh Osho, you will see that he talks in the same tone, whether he is cracking a joke or whether he is telling you some big intellectual information. His tone, his voice does not change. He has total control over his emotions. He never raises his voice. So this is an example of how you can control and handle your emotions. So please pay attention to this aspect of your life. As we grow older, we tend to become more drastic in our reactions. Please, please, please control them. This was my message today. Thank you.